installing Python on Windows 10, you have several options. I'm going to show you two of the most common setups. One is with the Anaconda distribution, and the other is a direct install of Python from their organization's website. I personally prefer the direct install from the Python org, but both are great options and work well. So which option should you choose? Well, it really depends on what your goals are. If you want to get started in data science, then Anaconda is probably what you want to install. For reasons that will soon become apparent. There's tons of built-in tools, community forums, tutorials. If you're learning Python for web development, gaming, or something else, then probably the direct install from Python will be better. But really, everybody has a preference. I've tried both and I found out what works for me. So what is Anaconda? Well, to majorly oversimplify, it's essentially a pre-packaged version of Python that really comes out of the box with all of the most common libraries and tools that you'll get started in data science using Python. There's tons of IDEs, Jupyter's included. I said it's really what you need to get started in data science, and the reason I say that is because that's really where its emphasis is in the Anaconda distribution. But that doesn't need to be your only goal if you want to use Anaconda. If you're interested in learning how to program games, you can certainly use Anaconda, but a lot of the extra tools packaged in the distribution may not be useful to you, especially if it's related to data science. And with that, let's get started. So first we're going to install the Anaconda distribution of Python. A link will be posted in the comments below if you can't see it on my screen. There's links on the website for different operating systems, so you'll need to make sure that you click on the correct operating system. Otherwise, you're going to spend 20 minutes downloading a file only to realize it's the wrong one. Because I'm installing on Windows 7, I'm going to click on Windows. I have a 64-bit system, so I'm going to click on 64-bit so I can take advantage of the 64-bit performance improvements. Next, click the executable file, then click Run. Click Next, read the license, and then agree to sign over your firstborn. Agree with the terms of the license. Click Next to use the recommended user install. Click Next to use the default destination folder. If I'm using a direct install of Python, then I might want to add the path environment. This allows me to open up a command prompt and then type Python to get started. However, since I'm doing this through Anaconda, I'm just going to work with Python through the Anaconda distribution. I'm going to uncheck this stuff because I don't need to look at it right now. Okay, now that it's installed, I want to open up Anaconda to make sure that it's installed correctly. All right, we got it loading up here. And that's how you install Python via Anaconda. In the next video, we're going to do it directly from the Python website, so stay tuned.